getting it out, dude. Oh, you
Okay.
actually?
Whole lot of tomfoolery going on.
Yeah, no shit.
What's this setup here, Jeff?
Yeah, I got this roller chair here. Figured instead of bending down and breaking my back, you know? Smarter, not harder.
There you go. Wait.
How are you?
Good, how are you, bud?
All right, we're here at the Thrashin Open House, and the boys been thrashing here, no pun intended, for the last couple days. It's a 2018 softail. They installed the big bore kit on it. This has the smaller stroke crankshaft, so it equals out to 128 cubic inch. Uncle Alan did a little fine honing job to match up the cylinders properly to the pistons. You know, if you're getting into doing big bore kits, that you really want to have, you know, a good tech working on it that can make proper measurements and make sure that everything's going together right. The guys installed the Feuling cam chest kit into it, did the high flow oiling system and one of the Reaper bump sticks. It's got the Thrashin Feuling anti-reversion exhaust system on it. Yeah, I'd like to, you know, give a hand over here to Harry and Evan. They've been grinding, and they're the ones that have the dirt under their fingernails right now. So the event's crazy. They're getting ready to announce the winner of the giveaway bike. I think the police and the fire department over here pointing fingers, but there's a lot of people here. I think there's a lot more people than are expected, and you know, we're really stoked to be involved with it. So.